Welcome to Sutton Tools, New Zealand. You're standing in the most modern small drill manufacturing plant in the world. Designed and built with a focus on staff safety, high-tech machinery, and innovative manufacturing processes. We invest in our people and their future to enhance and ensure the success of our business. Getting here was not easy. We started in 1962 in Kaiapoi as a joint venture between Patience and Nicholson Australia and local Kiwi shareholders. By the mid-1980s, our business was facing tough economic challenges. But in 1994, Sutton Tools bought the business as part of its own aggressive growth strategy. With fresh investment, expertise, and a focus on lean manufacturing, we went from strength to strength. By early 2020, global demand for our drill bits was booming. Our team had expanded into automation and were designing and building our own machinery, not just making drill bits, but the machines that produce them. But in 2022, disaster struck when a massive fire destroyed the factory, leaving nothing but twisted metal and the charred remains of 60 years' work. It could have been the end of the road. But the Sutton family made an immediate commitment to local manufacturing and to rebuild, stronger and better than before. Within months, the business recovered, with manufacturing underway in temporary buildings next to the old site. With this new site in Rangiora, our planning and design team has custom-built this facility with state-of-the-art equipment and a focus on our environmental impact, including the latest innovations in solar power, metal recycling, oil recovery, and stormwater systems. This isn't just a factory, it's a statement about where the Sutton Tools Group is heading. And that's global. At its heart, this business is about smart, innovative people who work as a team to ensure the future of this enterprise. Welcome to Sutton Tools, Rangiora.